Gardening may reduce cancer risk. Most of what people imagine as healthy living is exercise, healthy eating and proper rest, but a new study suggests that gardening may reduce cancer risk. The first randomized controlled trial of community gardening, funded by the American Cancer Society, found that those who participated in gardening ate more fiber and engaged in more physical activity, both ways to reduce their risk of cancer and chronic disease. They also experienced significantly lower levels of stress and anxiety. These findings provide concrete evidence that community gardening can play an important role in preventing cancer, chronic disease and mental health disorders, said Jill Litt, a professor in the Department of Environmental Studies at the University of Colorado at Boulder. Litt recruited 291 adults from the Denver area who had not participated in gardening, with an average age of 41. More than one-third of them were Hispanic, and more than half were from low-income households. After a spring frost, half of the participants were assigned to a community gardening group and the other half were assigned to a control group and asked to wait a year before starting to garden. Researchers found that those in the gardening group ate an average of 1.4 grams of fiber per day more than the control group, an increase of about 7%. The researchers noted that fiber has important effects on inflammation and immune responses, including everything from how people metabolize food to how healthy their gut microbiota is and even how susceptible people are to diabetes and certain cancers. Also, physical activity levels in the gardening group increased by about 42 minutes per week. The study also confirmed that even novice gardeners can derive significant health benefits from this pastime in their first season. If you like gardening, stick with it. And if you're interested in gardening, get started.